If you're a real estate agent, mortgage broker, or real estate investor, and you want to know how to start attracting more clients using video, this is how you do it. So don't pass this video or press skip, because right now I'm going to start showing you how to attract more clients using video so you can stop chasing or buying business. Hi, I'm Mike Cuevas, real estate marketing dude, and yes, video is now part of our business. And unfortunately, video is no longer optional, but it's become a necessity, because the truth is that if you're not doing video, one of your competitors is stealing attention from your brand each and every day. The problem everybody has is, where do I start? What do I say? And isn't that going to cost like thousands and thousands of dollars? When you start doing video, more people take note of exactly what it is you're doing, and your business becomes a lot more referable. See, as you create video consistently, what it really does is it makes you the most well-known and the go-to realtor, lender, or even real estate investor in your market, because with video becomes attention, and with attention comes attraction. Let's put it this way. How nice would it be for your entire list of Facebook friends, your email list, everybody that you know in your entire life, your Rolodex of relationships, that when they thought of the term real estate, that they automatically thought of your name? And look, when it comes to lead generation and obtaining clients, I understand 100% what you're going through, because it's the peaks and valleys in this business that make it one of the most stressful careers to have, isn't it? Want to know what's even more stressful? Is when you log onto social media and you find out about a very close family member, friend, or even relative who forgot you were in real estate. See, over the past few years, we've helped hundreds and hundreds of real estate agents, lenders, and real estate investors identify a video marketing strategy for them, then script, edit, and distribute their video content. And with that, we've learned quite a lot. And it's because we went through all of that experience with all these different personalities across state lines that has allowed us to create the most comprehensive real estate marketing training on video in the country. And it's called the Local Celebrity Virtual Video Bootcamp. Now, this training will only be offered 6 times a year or every 2 months. So if you're interested in upping your video game, click the link below or somewhere near this video and sign up and register now. So if you're sick of chasing after business, cold calling, or doing other prospecting techniques that make you feel slimy, make sure you register for the bootcamp and start learning how to build a personal brand using video that attracts clients to you so that you can stop chasing them. Go ahead and register for the link right now, and I will see you on the first call.